Hello, my name is Patrick. Welcome once again to YLOC. Today we'll be going over 4th grade, lesson 9. Okay, so first we'll be doing the first page. So, like we did last time, we're going to do remainders. So let's try doing number 2. So we did 65 divided by 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6, 0. That's 5. And then 1, 2. So the answer would be 21 with the remainder of 2. Okay, I'll do one more. Let's try doing number 10. So it would be 55 divided by 3. So it's 1. That would be 25. And then 8, which is 24. 1. So 18 with the remainder of 1. And this is because we just divide and we have something left over that's smaller than the number that we're dividing with. That's why we can't divide it any further, and that's why it's a remainder, and that's why you can't put it in. So this is just more division practice. Let's try doing number 9. So 93 divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, which is 0. Bring the 3 down. 3 divided by 3 is 1, which is 0. Therefore, the answer is just 31, or you can write it as 31. You can write it just as 31 or 31 R0 if you want. And let's try doing number 12. So 91 divided by 8. So that's 1, 1, 1. 11 minus 8 is 3. Therefore, the answer would be 11, remainder 3. Okay. Okay, so this one should be okay. So first let's try to number 3. So we have to use basic division, fact, and patterns to write each quotient. So let's try doing 20 divided by 5 first. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, then 200 divided by 5 is 40. Okay, see how when the number increases by has another 0 at the back, so 20 and then 200 has another 0. The answer also increases with another 0 in the back. So 20 times 10 equals 200, 4 times 10 equals 40, and then 200 times 10 equals 2000. That means the answer should be 40 times 10 is 400. However, in order for this to work, both the front numbers, so the 2 and the 5 have to be the same. So it has to be the number can only be increased by 10. That's the only reason why the answer is also increased by 10. Okay. Let's go on to the picture. I'll do one more with you actually. So let's try doing number 7. So 300 divided by 5. First, let's do 30 divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. And we know that 300 is just 30 times 10. And we know the 5 is still the same. So we can do 6 times 10. It would make the answer this. Okay? We make 60 as an answer. Then we know that 3000 divided by 5 is just 300 times 10 divided by 5. So the answer would just be 60 times 10, which is 600. Okay. Now let's go on to the pictograph. So each tennis ball on this picture is 100 balls. Okay. Each can of tennis ball holds 3 balls. How many cans of tennis balls does a shop have? Okay. Try doing number 1. So each can of tennis balls holds 3 balls. How many cans of tennis balls does a shop have? Okay. So we're only looking at tennis balls. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we have to do 100 times 6 because each can represents 100 tennis balls, so we have to multiply it by 100. So that's 600. And we know that each can of tennis ball holds 3 balls. So how many cans of tennis balls does the shop have? So we're trying to find the number of cans there are. If we have 600 balls and 3 balls go into 1 can, then we can just multiply out to figure out how many cans there are. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then we can just use the basic pattern that we did before. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 600 is basically 6 times 100, so we can just do 2 times 100. So how many cans of tennis balls does the shop have? 200 cans of tennis balls.